You're about to watch the Detmurds channel. Enjoy.
Alright folks, before we get going in this video, let me warn you, the little lady's on a rampage. She's walking around. She walks hard when she walks, so you might hear footsteps in the background. I got a whole bunch of stuff to tell you, and I'm going to try to do this as efficient and quickly as I can, and still give you a quality, entertaining Detmurds video. Don't know if that's possible, but we'll see what we can do here. Let's begin. You ever make a pizza and it's like perfect, and you want to put vegetables on it? Little lady always crying about putting vegetables on pizza. I get kind of tired of hearing that. Sometimes I just want a pepperoni pizza, because pepperoni pizza is a base pizza of perfection that pretty much everyone loves. If you don't like pepperoni on pizza, you might not like pizza. Now, Big Al, Burnt Barrel Barbecue, he says it gives him a little heartburn, but we'll give him a pass. But little lady likes vegetables. I'm sorry, I went off on another story there. She likes vegetables, and hey, put this on, throw these on, throw that on. I put it on a pizza, I cook it, there's a puddle of water in the middle of the pizza, and it's frustrating. Who wants a soggy ass pizza? I don't. You see this pizza, looks pretty good. It's got the vegetables on her. What I did was I took the vegetables and I cut them as thin as I could with the knife. Now there is a way and means of cutting thinner slices, but I did this all by hand with my German steel knife. Yeah, it turns out pretty good, and this pizza looked great. Here's another update. The Detmurds pizza oven. Breaking news. So many of you like that pizza oven. I liked it. It was fun. It's very cool. What did I do with it? I put it out to the road for the scrappers. I even left that Unicopy burner on it. And I told the guy, I said, hey, that pizza oven works if you want to use it. He goes, oh yeah? He took it, he threw it in the back of his trailer. He didn't care about the pizza oven. He just wanted to scrap metal. But the Detmurds pizza oven, we always have it here on YouTube if you want to watch it. So I said I was going to do a shrimp pizza. Here it is. I made the dough with what I had at the moment, because I've been making a lot of pizzas, folks. I ran out of pizza flour from Meyer, and I'll get another subject on that. 00 flour I ran out of, and I also ran out of the bread flour, King Arthur. So I used all-purpose flour. Not really the best way, and I can tell the difference. I tried to make this shrimp pizza like a shrimp scampi. What's in shrimp scampi? Garlic, tomato, lemon, shrimp. I marinated the shrimp in lemon. Yeah, I cooked it. Looked great. Looked good. It didn't look great. Color, I didn't like the color, and I took a bite into it. That lemon doesn't really work too well on a pizza. It's kind of sour. Little lady did not like it. I didn't really care for it, but none got thrown in the garbage. But I will do some more shrimp style pizzas. I could have done a white sauce. That's too easy. I wanted to try doing a scampi, so that's why I did it this way. In other breaking news today, I sold my winter truck, the beloved Black Betty, the Ford F-150 2008. My winter truck. Sad moment. Look at her. She's gone. Now if you drive in front of my house, you can't tell if I'm home or not, because there's no car in the driveway. I keep my red F-150 in the garage. And today I did a little pizza experiment. I took all the dry ingredient, put it in my little mixing bowl, whatever you want to call it. Put all the dry ingredient in there, including the active dry yeast, and I threw it all in the refrigerator. I let it sit in there like 3 days. Did that 3 days ago. Today I made the pizza. And yeah, the dough turned out really good. Very nice. I just put room temperature water in there. Man, that dough is nice and cold. Fermentation took a lot longer. It wasn't fast. You do not want fast fermentation. You want that time to make that dough better. You want that structure in your pizza dough. And it was good. And all I used was the Meyer pizza flour. And what the heck is Meyer pizza flour? I'm in some transitional times right now, and trying to get rid of some things that I don't necessarily want to get rid of. Oh, here's another one. My Pit Boss pellet smoker, the his and hers as I call it, the Charleston Pit Boss smoker propane grill. I sold it. I'm telling you folks, I'm downsizing. Less is more. Yeah, it's kind of sad. I sold it to a guy down the road, really nice guy. Sad to get rid of it, but I wasn't using it that much. I think I only used it last year once. I still have the Oklahoma Joe's Bronco cooker, and I still have the Grand Champ from CHAR-GRILLER. The Grand Champ from CHAR-GRILLER, definitely keeping. The Bronco, TBD. It has been cold here in Michigan, but it's warmed up in the last couple weeks, so I wasn't even able to sit here in my recording studio because it was too cold. So I haven't been using the Will Prep too much. I've been using that slice box the whole time. But the Will Prep will be back in full action very soon. And thank you all for watching. Till next time, God bless.